With the Product Uploader tool, you can add your own customized product recommendations to your Simple Lab reports. Here's how it works. Within the Pro dashboard, click your team name and select Team Settings from the dropdown. Here, you will need to upload your logo. If you're using a scheduling platform such as Calendly or Google Meets, you can enter your URL under Setup Consultation Link at the bottom of the page. Both your logo and consultation link will be visible in your customer's report. Now you're ready to set up your customized product. To do this, click Report Settings at the top of the page. Now scroll down to the Product Uploader section. Here you can add new products or edit existing ones. These will be shown in your customer's final report as treatment recommendations. To add a product, click Add Product. Here, you will need to do the following. Upload your product photo, add a product title, add the starting price, and choose if this price includes installation. You can also add an approximate annual cost to maintain the system throughout the year. Finally, add a link to the product page on your website. When you're finished, click Add. There is one important thing to note. Any changes made on the products will impact all reports within your dashboard, meaning the product will change in past reports as well. You now have your products set up in the Product Uploader. To see what the uploaded products will look like, go to the Treatment tab in any customer's report. Here you can choose which products to show in the customer's report by toggling them on or off. You can even add a personal note to your customers to explain why your recommended products are right for them. Click Preview to see how the products will look in the report. Your customers will be able to view and learn about the products you have recommended and set up a call with you through your consultation link. If you have any questions at all, you can talk to our support team via our live chat feature.